Welcome to Kids Fun TV 20. Hello kids. Let's guess the animal. So let's play together. Kids, which words make the image? A. Cat. B. Monkey. C. Mouse. Yes, kids, the image make the option B. Monkey. Monkey. This is a monkey. Kids, which words make the image? A. Rat. B. Hamster. C. Rabbit. Yes, kids, the image make the option A. Rat. This is a rat. Kids, which words make the image? A. Pig. B. Horse. C. Cow. Yes, kids, the image make the option C. Cow. This is a cow. Kids, which words make the image? A. Duck. B. Chicken. C. Swan. Yes, kids, the image make the option B. Chicken. This is a chicken. Kids, which words make the image? A. Pig. B. Buffalo. C. Goat. Yes, kids, the image make the option A. Pig. This is a pig. Kids, which words make the image? A. Pig. B. Lion. C. Goat. Yes, kids, the image make the option B. Lion. This is a lion. Kids, which words make the image? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Goat. Yes, kids, the image make the option B. Tiger. This is a tiger. Kids, which words make the image? A. Lion. B. Giraffe. C. Goat. Yes, kids, the image make the option B. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. Kids, which words make the image? A. Lion. B. Zebra. C. Goat. Yes, kids, the image match the option B. Zebra. This is a zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. Kids, which words match the image? A. Lion. B. Hippo. C. Bear. Yes, kids, the image match the option B. Hippo. This is a hippo. Hippo is a wild animal. Hippo. Kids, which words match the image? A. Lion. B. Rhino. C. Bear. Yes, kids, the image match the option B. Rhino. This is a rhino. Rhino is a wild animal. Rhino. Kids, which words match the image? A. Lion. B. Cheetah. C. Bear. Yes, kids, the image match the option B. Cheetah. This is a cheetah. Cheetah is a wild animal. Cheetah. Kids, which words match the image? A. Lion. B. Bear. C. Tiger. Yes, kids, the image match the option B. Bear. This is a bear. Bear is a wild animal. Bear. Kids, which words match the image? A. Lion. B. Elephant. C. Tiger. Yes, kids, the image match the option B. Elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. Elephant. Great job, kids. Today you learn and identify the wild animal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Kids Fun TV 20. Bye bye.